Hello everybody, here we are again with Ask the Vet. This time we have a topic about coccidiosis. There's a difference, some fanciers treat regularly blind for coccidiosis, some never, or some only when the vet advises. Actually, I already can answer this question that it is always the last one, so when the vet advises to treat for coccidiosis, of course that is the right time. Coccidiosis in pigeons is a parasitic disease in the intestines. It is a disease that pigeons develop a good immunity for. How older a pigeon is, the better this immunity can become. So coccidiosis is something you do not always have to treat. It depends on how much the pigeons are infected. And you can know the infection. The best way to know this is just by examining the feces of pigeons, and you have to know how much the pigeons are infected. So if you have a light infection of coccidiosis, a lot of times treatment is not always necessary. Also because pigeons can have a good immunity. It also depends on how the environment is. For example, in dry, clean environment, pigeons will always have less coccidiosis. If it's humid weather and if it's young pigeons and if the hygiene is not good, the pigeons can get more infected. Treatment in wintertime for coccidiosis, certainly for racing birds, is not advisable, because certainly when there's only a light infection, those birds have to develop some immunity. So when they are infected in the basket, they don't get sick. In a lot of cases I have seen pigeons that were completely disinfected after the season, for example in September, and those pigeons had no coccidiosis whatsoever in wintertime. Of course, when they are infected in the racing season the year after, those pigeons are sensitive for coccidiosis and they get sick in the basket because they did not have the chance to develop immunity. So in that case, treatment after the season is not that good. But when they have too much coccidiosis, too much infection in the season, then it could be advisable to treat so the pigeons are not infected too much to have a good race. Okay? If you have more questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comments, and see you next time. Bye.